Wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory. He must become greater, so I become less. He must become greater. Hello, darling. I wanted to get on this video to say thank you for Showsee for sponsoring this portion of the video. They were able to send me a product that I most definitely needed this time of the year, and that is none other than the nose trimmer. See how cute it is? It is so lightweight and it's going to do exactly what you need it to do. If you're someone that suffers like me with allergies, you do a lot of runny noses and a lot of sneezing, and you know you got hair up in them nostrils, those little critters gonna get stuck on there, and you don't want that, especially when you're up front talking to a lot of people, because they could be so embarrassing, but this product is going to prevent that from happening for you. It is so easy to use. All you need to do is power this bad boy on and put it where you need it and let it run its course. All you will need is one battery, a AAA, and I promise you, you will love the feel when you rub it up against your nose. Again, this product is so lightweight, you can take it anywhere you want it to go. In your purse, in your pocket, and don't forget traveling this year. But again, if you have any questions, I will have all of that listed in the description box. This product is German made. The blades do what it is supposed to do. So again, thank you Showsee for sponsoring this portion of the video, because I promise you, you did not bring this to me until a better time with these allergies, and this is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Okay?